When we look at artwork and paintings, colors have meaning and purpose. A lot of times we don't realize that, but they do. And this painting called Risen as He Said is a painting I created for a company in Boca Raton, Florida, to tell the story of Easter and why we celebrate it. The colors in this painting really make the painting stand out. And the colors actually have biblical meaning. The purple in the sky represents Christ as the sovereign king, his high priesthood, and the union of God and man. The red in the sky represents God's blood that covers the sins of the world. The gold in the sky represents God's divine nature, his holiness, his purity, as well as wealth and royalty, as Jesus is the King of kings and Lord of lords. The orange you see in the sky represents fire, God's power, his presence, his divine judgment, and purification. The brown represents the wood in the cross, as well as earth, humility, and a return to the dust and spiritual death. My name is Rick Short, and this is my painting called Risen as He Said. If you enjoy this video, please follow me for other stories by my paintings, and we'll see you soon.